I need 50 grams of flour.
Okay.
What are you cooking tonight?
Mac and cheese.
And you know how to weigh 50 grams?
Yeah.
How do you know?
No.
Let's see.
So
Did you tear out the
Yes, I did.
flour? Good. So 50. Not 15, but 50.
2.
All right. Very good. We're making the sauce mac and cheese.
Got it, exact 50.
Very good. If you can do that, anybody can do that. All right.
Let's
50.
do like this.
Okay, just put it inside with the butter,
Okay.
and then we're gonna start cooking it.
So, okay. Inside the butter. Okay, I just do like this?
Go ahead. Yeah. And we're gonna start the mac and cheese sauce. Stir well
How? With this?
with the spoon. No, the wooden spoon. All right. Good job. Yep. And then we're going to. So this is the cream sauce, and then we're gonna put the cheese. Okay.
I guessed it.
Okay. So for me and Mama, we're doing linguine with meat sauce, bolognese, and Giorgio.
I'm making macaroni.
Macaroni with, not really macaroni, you want spaghetti, you say?
Spaghetti and cheese.
Linguine and cheese.
No, spaghetti.
Okay, just keep working on cutting your cheddar cheese,
No,
okay?
you mean mac and cheese.
Okay, we'll come back. So how are you doing?
Good.
Is it hard?
Wait.
Are you sure you don't want the pasta meat sauce?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay.
Look, I'm cutting better now. I
Oh.
figured out a strategy.
You have a strategy?
Yeah,
Why do you want to learn how to cook?
because it's just fun.
Is it?
Yeah. So
Okay,
this
here
is
it's
my-
boiling. So what we're gonna do after you cut all the cheese,
Uh-huh.
okay, we're going to put it over here, okay, and then it melts slowly as the pasta cooks. Giorgio is kind of crazy about long pasta noodles.
I love spaghetti.
Yeah, we have the cheese
Are
that
you
doesn't make
posting
sense,
this?
but no, I'm not posting this.
Please.
Okay, we'll come back. I'm ready. So half a teaspoon of salt and pepper together. Yeah, put it inside over there.
Here?
Yep. Yeah, very good. And then the same thing with paprika. So,
Like this?
yeah.
1 cup
Yeah, remember this sauce is for 8 of you.
sauce.
Yeah, this is gonna be good for 8 of you. All this cheese is for 8 people. That's how it is, sorry. So, okay. And then you can stir, get the whisk. Whisk.
Here?
Yep. Now that's, but it works too. The whisk is the other one. Whisk.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
Ready?
Hold the pan. Yep. Doing a good job. All right. All right. So the sauce is boiling. Yeah. Put the cheese low. We are on low heat. Yep. Put all the cheese. So remember that is for 8 people.
8 people for me only.
All right.
And I get like 10. And Papa, don't
And we have to write the recipe so other children they can do it themselves.
get the big fat cheese.
So the pasta. This is the recipe of Giorgio.
It's
Spaghetti or linguine and noodles with mac and cheese.
Not, it's not noodles,
Homemade.
it's linguine and it's actual spaghetti, but fat.
All right.
Spaghetti fat.
Papa and Mama, they're eating the boring bolognese sauce with peas. You don't like peas?
No.
Yeah,
It messes
vegetables.
up the flavor.
Vegetables are good for you.
I know, but like, it messes up the flavor of Esley's.
All right. So now that you got all the cheese in,
No, I don't. Now.
yeah,
No,
you
can I
you can remove it
No,
from
no,
the
I
heat
I need to.
and hold the pan and stir very slow. Okay, and keep stirring till it all comes together. Okay, we'll come back in a sec. You think you can do it?
Yes, I can.
Okay, great.
It's already melting because it's so hot.
All right, be careful. So, how's it going, the melting?
Good. Look at that. In like 1 minute.
All right, so the pasta still have a few seconds left. You see, I put a timer. So
Look at this. Look
that's
at
very
this.
creamy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put your pasta over there in the bowl, for Mama and Papa over here,
Well, where is your guys' pasta?
and then we're gonna get the extra sauce in the refrigerator. Okay, we're gonna use it next
I
time.
thought you were pointing at that.
No, we're not putting everything inside over there. You're not eating for 8. You're just eating for 1 tonight. So that's why we're gonna put over here 80 grams of pasta for you, and sauce mixed together, and then you're gonna eat it.
You know I'm gonna have 6 plates.
6 plates. Okay, let's come back in a few seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so get ready. Okay, let's get ready. So what we're gonna do, the pasta is ready. So we're gonna turn off this. We're gonna put Mama, Papa pasta over here. Okay,
Oh,
two portion.
That's your guys?
Yeah,
And I get like a lot.
you get portion a lot. You get the right part. So this is what you get.
Remember, I eat a lot.
That's a big portion, you know.
I know, but I'm like starving right now.
Okay, I'll give you a little bit more just because you're growing. Okay? That's the best I can do for you.
That's all?
That's a lot.
No, it's not.
And
That's the tiniest thing I ever seen in my life.
cheese sauce. Nice and hot.
Can I have multiple plates?
And then you stir this. Okay?
Oh, no. No,
Let it rest for a minute. That's your spaghetti noodle, spaghetti. That's how you say it in American.
Yeah, that's the tiniest bowl I ever seen.
Spaghetti, and this is for Mama and Papa.
You guys got the biggest.
And that's dinner. So let it rest for a minute. It's the biggest. These are 2 portions. You didn't want the meat sauce, but you got more over here that I'm gonna put on the side for tomorrow. Okay, what do you want to say?
Give me more mac and cheese pasta.
All right, ciao.
Nah.
Giorgio, you ready?
Yeah, I want my mac and cheese.
That's I used to eat pasta with cheese when I was a kid, but with Parmigiano cheese, not with cheddar. Wow, this is a big portion.
No, it's not. It's super tiny.
All right, and for Mama and Papa?
But that's big for you and not big for me.
Yeah, this is a big portion also for me. This
That's
is good
the
also
biggest.
for tomorrow.
I'm gonna have extra tomorrow.
So this is 100% organic beef.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. And with peas, just enough beef. All right, that's our dinner. This is Mama, this is Papa, this is Giorgio. How's your pasta? Are you able to roll it? That's a lot of work. Yep. What's better, the spaghetti or the macaroni?
Good.
All right.